I was teasing my students yesterday. I said, I cannot set up a simulated fake hotel. I don't have enough cardboard here to do that for you. So the simulation allows them to look at reports while they're doing their work. They can reference back, and it allows them a real life experience without all the pressures of making the wrong choice. So I think it's perfect practice to prepare them for what they're going to deal with when they get jobs in the hospitality environment.
What we particularly like about using the case simulations with our students is this set of simulations are very visual. A lot of the other simulations which we've looked at are very text-based. Lots of numbers, lots of tables, lots of words, and of course you need to read things. But many students are visual learners. So having those types of things, the visuals that are offered by the case simulations, really are great for our students, and they do very well with.
We actually use the case simulations as the entire class. We felt that the diversity of the simulations and the immersive learning environment was a great way to give a wonderful experience to the students.
When I built the syllabus, both for the summer course and then the one semester, the regular format course, it's broken down into modules, and each module is based on a theme. And in marketing, it's fairly easy because you have the elements of the marketing mix, the so-called 4 Ps. You've got the preliminary modules dealing with things like marketing strategy and consumer behavior, and then a wrap-up module. So I tried to associate each of the simulations that I used with the theme I was covering. So it was a way of reinforcing what the students were reading in the text.